Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I'm sharing with you, I'm going to call this Thrift Tuesday, and I'm going to kind of refresh an area and share with you some thrift items that I already have and that I recently just purchased. We're going to be sprucing some things up in this video. So this will be my Thrift Tuesday, and it's just going to be any and everything revolving around thrifted items. It could be newly purchased items or items that I already have had here in my home. So with that being said, let's get into this video. And before we do that, if you are new to the channel, I would love to welcome you. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are a loyal LOSWS family member, you know I appreciate your continued support. And let's get into this video. I don't know if you all have paid any attention to my curtain rod, but it was a thrifted rod, and I will be taking that down momentarily to spray paint it. But I'm gonna share with you two items that are thrifted, newly thrifted, and it is the beautiful curtain rod holder, very, very beautiful. And if you are a family member, you know that I have some of these that's larger in my dining room. So I thought, since they are kind of cat-cornered spaces, that it would be beautiful to put up there. And the rod that's already up there, so we're going to spray paint these gold today. Now this beauty right here, when I first saw it, I saw a tray. I didn't see a wall mirror. And it was $5.99, 50% off. But I think I'm gonna leave this as is for right now, just for my styling that I'm gonna share with you today. Not to mention, these were $2.90. This is a trick that I utilize from time to time. Like, if I don't have enough, this is all I have at home. I do not feel like going out to purchase any spray paint. And I do need to spray paint my coffee table. I need to spray paint these gold pieces right holder. And I need to spray paint that curtain rod. So I'm going to use this bright coat copper on everything first. Just do a coat of everything first. Let this dry for an hour, and then I'm gonna come back with this metallic gold. It's probably like a half a can. So I'm assuming that I can, make it look more gold than the colors that it is right now. So we're gonna begin that process, and then I'm gonna come back once everything is dry. All right, now in this part of the video, I am removing the screws from my curtain rods, and now I will be hanging my curtain rod holders. And I absolutely love the curtain rod holders because all you need is one nail and it's done. So I absolutely love curtain rod holders. Now here I am changing out my curtains. When I did my refresh, I had black curtains up, and as I looked at the video after I put it up, I thought that that area looked it kind of dark, so I wanted it to be light and airy, so that's why I changed out the curtains. And also in this area on the entryway table, I found my 2 wooden candle holders that I purchased from the Goodwill, as well as those 2 candles. Now I know the candles doesn't match perfectly, but I felt that it needed a little bit more extra. All right, everyone. Here is the reveal of my table styling. And I want you guys to make sure you have on your notifications, because I will be doing a living room refresh for the summer. And that will be possibly the next video that you see. I have a couple of things that's going on, so please turn on your notification. And I thank you all for stopping by. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye bye.